Hey, no talk. I just want to talk about why there have been any recent uploads as of late. Um, for lack of a better word, I got sick. It happens. It happens. I'm try to go back posting again very soon. We just right now I can't. Also, you may notice a video of mine that was just finna hit 1K. That battle between Drono and the Joker, yeah, that one got unlisted. I lost the audio quality of it. That video is pretty much done. All because something to do with the fucking music. It sucks, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. I usually upload two, but I guess I'll upload one today.